today I'm doing tinies. I have 21s. I guess Tiny Thursday. That's what I was trying to say. I have 21s, and I'm gonna just hold them, and I have my 12-sided die, and 9, 12, 7, 11, 10, 11, 9, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 1, 8, 7, 3, 2, 10, 10, 2, 12, and the last one, 2. Okay, I'll just pick them up. One is Let It Budget. It's got $1. This is Karen. And today's the last day to, so if you want to enter my giveaway, go back to Monday's video, Monday Minis, and enter my 2K giveaway. And I'm going to announce the winner on Friday, because I'm sure everyone's going to be busy with Valentine's. So I'll announce the winner on Friday's video. I'm going to probably do a bonus video. This one's Lil's World 733. And it got 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then 3 is my doggy, reindeer doggy, and it got 1. And then 4 is from Grammy's Journey, and it got 2. So 1, 2. And then 5 is It's Not Too Late. It got 1. Oops. 6 is from Gracie at Grammy's Journey, and it got 1. And then 7 is Grammy's Journey, and it got 2. So 1, 2. And then 8 is my doggy, my Christmas Chihuahua. It got 1. Oops. Let's see. And then 9, it's not too late. And I got 2, so this one's finished. And I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for next week, I'm adding in this season Gaming Grandma Budgets. And 10 is another one of my doggies. And it got 2. 1, 2. Oops, sorry. I dropped my pen. And then 11 is Let It Be Budgets, and it got 2. So 1, 2. And then last up is Grammy's Journey, and I only needed 1. So 1. So I've saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to add in Lil's World, and I'm going to put this $1 in it. And she could use prayers for her and her fiance. So if you pray, please pray for them. And this binder is from my friend Money Boss in the Making, Sadie J. And oops. And you have till 5 p.m. today, Mountain Time, to enter my giveaway. And like I said, I'll be doing a video, probably just of the winners. I'll do it live with the comment picker thing, wheel, or comment picker that I use. And good luck to everybody. And thank you for watching and supporting my channel. And I'll see you for the giveaway winners. Good luck, everybody.